We're just here with Michael, who does this incredible Fatkid Auto automation. Michael, what do you like about the Safiery automation?
What's not to like, but simplicity from the start. Everything is slimline, finishes any build that you do really, really well, and just the innovation that's actually in their products. Like, you know, we're standing away, we don't have to touch a physical switch panel. We can change the colours of their lights just like that. We can dim.
So good.
Look, we might want to turn the water pump on, so we do that.
All right, yep.
Now, we want to jump up into the rooftop tent. We can't see what we're doing. We don't have to turn the switch on. We can carry the fob with us and bang, on.
Fantastic, Michael. Thank you very much.